Welcome back to the training. We are still on account creation. So now we are going to be teaching us how we are going to fill up our details. So let us move forward straight to our yes. So you come back here. They said your account info is incomplete. To publish a book, you will need to complete this. They said update now. Now when you click on update now, you can see at this place they said select your region. You have to select your real country. Your country is USA, you select USA. Your country is German, you select German. But my own country is Nigeria, so I select Nigeria. You can see now. Immediately I select Nigeria. It asks for my full name, address, region, zip code, and phone number. So then I put my full name. That's my full name. So then my address, you can just put any address. Your address, my address is 25 Estate Elebu, yes, Olurunbi Estate, Elebu City. I'm from Ibadan. So state or region from Oyo State. Zip code 2000 2021. So my phone number. I've written my phone number before. +234 61 43 1241. That's my phone number. But I want to show you something. Now, when you have finished this one, you have completed this one, so then you come to get paid. How did you want them to be paying you? How did they want them to be paying you when you make your money? How will you want them to pay you? So you come back to this place. So now at this place you won't select Nigeria. You select Nigeria, it will be difficult for you to get your money. So I will advise you select USA. Hope you get me. And you can also select United Kingdom, any of the two. Now, how will you get the account number and meter number you are going to paste here? How are you going to get that? So that will lead us to another account I call Payoneer.com. Now, in the resources, I drop a link in the resources. So this link, if you use this Payoneer link in the resources, we are going to get $25, and I also is going to get $25 for using the link to register. So now let us take it step by step, and you click on register. So you come here, you click on I'm a freelancer. Click on I'm a freelancer. I'm looking for getting payment from international client and freelancer market. So that's what I'm going to select. You can see now. So you click on register. That is sign up. Now come back to this place now. The name you use, remember the name I'm using here is Patricia Sponti. So you come here, that's what you are going to use. Patricia. Then you enter your email, our work, (2022) at outlook.com. You will enter the email, our work 2020 at outlook.com. Then you select your date of birth. This one should be correct. Must be your real date of birth because you are going to verify it. Must be your real date of birth because you are going to verify it. So then come here. After you enter your date of birth, then you'll be able to click next. So when you click on next, here you select your country. My country is Nigeria, so you select your own country. If your country is German, if your country is India, if your country is Pakistan, if your country is, so that's what you are going to select. Then here now you select your street. Remember my street is 25. Let me copy it from here. Let me stress myself. That's my address, 25 Road Estate. Then the city is Ibadan. So the zip code is 203. So that is the zip code. I don't know what I get it here. It's 3, not 1. So then you come back here, you enter your number, and your number will 614 send code. Immediately they send code to you. I'm going to verify your account with the code. I've received my code. I have the code now. So after you enter the code, then you click on next. Here now you'll be given a password. Sorry, you are going to enter the password of your choice. So I will enter my own password now. So confirm the password. I've confirmed the password. So you select a security question. In which city did you get married? So you click on it. Then you can now put your answer. So please, all these details you must keep them very well, because in case you may later need them in the future for verification. So in which city did you get married? So that's why you need to keep them very, very well. In case of incasity. So then you scroll down. Now this is about your ID card details. Now this one is based on you. You select your country. Your own may be driving license. Your own may be international passport. Your own may be any other thing. So you are going to select the one that you want to use to verify. The one you want to use to verify the account. So me, I'm going to be using my national ID card. So then I drop the number of my national ID card is what I'm going to use. Let me check. So I've seen it. X 5 8 3 4 LY. So that's my own. That's my own code. So then you come back here. You are going to type in what is here. You are going to type it here. So write your 4 capital letter F 9 4 then R. You can see next is not available. It's now available. So you click on next. So it is personal account. So you link your bank. This is where you are now going to link your bank, the bank you are using, your Nigerian bank or any of your country bank. This is where you are going to link the bank. So you link the bank here. So come here, just select the name of the bank you want to link. So you have any bank you may want to use here, any bank of your choice. Me, I'm using Wema. So I'm using Wema. 707. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let me check very well. So let me check well. So don't mind me, I need So I'm trying to log in into my app to get my ad money. Okay. Let me do something. 783130. So that's it. So you agree with me, that's just it. You agree the terms and conditions, the both terms and conditions, then you click on submit. Now the account is, congratulations, so the account is under review. They are going to get back to us, and then we are now going to, when they get back to us, we're now going to complete our setup on Amazon. So we are still waiting for them to get back to us. So till they get back to us, so we'll meet in the next tutorial.